What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman, and today we're going to work on my son's car, his Mazda 3 SP25, and we've just bought a front lip and a side skirt for his car. So we're just going to open the side skirt. And these side skirts are from Zero Offset, which is a car parts from Melbourne. So the side skirts got the insulation hardware. So this one comes with some 3M and some screws. So this one is the front lip, and it's also from Zero Offset. So with the front lip, it's also got the installation hardware. So with the front lip, it's got the 3M as well and some screws. Alright, so we're just going to jack the car up so we got more room underneath. Alright, so the front lip comes with these rubber things, and I'm just going to put it here, down there. So I'm just connecting it now on the back. Alright, so we do the same for this side. So pretty much it's just a screw clip that you take out from the factory clips, and then you put it back in again. So these are the screws that we're going to put in underneath. I should just go under there, in, and now I can screw it on. You just have to screw it on tightly onto the plastic guard. There's a few screws that goes around underneath the bumper, so it's pretty secured and tight in there. So that's the last screw, and we're done. Looks good. So now we got the front lip in, and now we're going to do the side skirt. So the side skirt comes with these. We'll put that for that side. It also comes with the clips here. So with the side skirt, you need to take the plastic off and then put these things in. And that's got that to hold the side skirts. When you're doing this, the easiest way is to put the clip on first, like this. So that's all connected. Just have to do this last bit on the back here. So for the back of the side skirt, you need this clip, and this clip will attach to the well, and then you need to use the screw, and then when you screw it on, you have to do it tightly to stay attached. And that's it. Check out how it looks.
Ice in my veins. lanes, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day,